For the professional contractor looking for the latest in battery-powered saw technology and innovation, DEWALT is proud to present the 20V Max lithium-ion reciprocating saw featuring a 4-position blade clamp and the 6 1/2 inch circular saw. The 20V Max line will be offered in addition to DEWALT's 18V system and provide professional contractors with performance, ergonomics, and innovative features users expect from DEWALT. The 20V Max lithium-ion reciprocating saw delivers performance worthy of the DEWALT name, with a 1 1/8 inch stroke length that works up to 3,000 strokes per minute. The 3.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery gives the user up to 73% more cuts per charge when compared to the leading 18V lithium-ion reciprocating saws on the market. Plumbers, electricians, framers, carpenters, and remodelers will benefit from the DEWALT 20V Max reciprocating saw's versatile 4-position keyless blade clamp, which gives the user optimal versatility when making flush cuts or cutting in tight spaces. The contoured rubber overmolded comfort grip gives the users control for a variety of cutting applications. The 20V Max lithium-ion circular saw offers fast cutting performance due to a motor that delivers 460 max watts out at 3,700 RPM. The lightweight magnesium shoe provides the optimal combination of durability for long-term accuracy and lightweight to help keep contractors running strong. The optimized rubber overmolded comfort grip gives the 8-pound circular saw the desired balance and control for the remodeler, carpenter, or framer making cross, rip, plunge, or bevel cuts. Regardless of the application, DEWALT 20V Max saws provide the performance, ergonomics, and features needed to get the job done. DEWALT 20V Max lithium-ion, maximum performance.
Welcome to Rockwell on Amazon.
Here's a saw that has speed as its middle name. The VersaCut by Rockwell lets you change blades one-handed.
I like the interchangeable blades the most. I like that I can take and cut any type of material and just change out the saw blade in a matter of seconds.
That means you can rip through different materials lickety-split. Its 4 amps are powerful, with a speed of 3,500 RPMs, but it doesn't weigh a lot, making it the one to reach for when you are on the move.
The VersaCut is much more lightweight than the circular saw. It weighs about 4 pounds. It's a lot easier to maneuver around the house.
The base plate provides a clear view of where the blade enters the work, making tricky cuts much easier to see. Changing the depth of a cut is right on the side. For around $130, the saw includes 3 blades, a vacuum adapter, and a storage bag. And precision.
I like the laser beam. I like the fact that if you draw a line and it's not very clear, you have the laser beam there to back you up, and it makes a nice, smooth cut.
VersaCut's laser guide helps you get the right cut every time.
Looking for a cordless circular saw that combines brushless motor technology with battery innovation? Introducing the world's first cordless 7 1/4 inch rear handle circular saw. It's powered by 2 18-volt lithium-ion batteries, so you get 36 volts of power and runtime, but without leaving the 18-volt battery platform. The helical gear system is engineered for better transmission efficiency over current gear styles. With no oil needed and no brushes to replace, that means easy maintenance for you. The Makita-built, electronically controlled brushless motor delivers up to 5,100 RPM for efficient cutting. This new original delivers. It can make up to 558 crosscuts in 2x4 lumber on a single charge. This saw can cut a 3x in a single pass with a full 2 9/16 inch cutting capacity. It also has soft start and an electric brake for maximum productivity. The saw has a die-cast magnesium base and blade guard, which combines durability with less weight. For the most demanding cuts, automatic speed change technology goes to work. This automatically adjusts the speed and torque under load for optimum cutting performance.
We're here in Seattle, Washington, getting ready to start a big research facility. Today we're preparing to create a duct bank to run some temporary power through. It's surprising to have a battery-powered saw that doesn't bog down. The cut's really clean, it's fast, there's no boggy feeling at all, there's no awkward jam feelings that you get as you're running it. It's uncanny how well it performs.
I liked it. I like the saw. The fact that it's easy to get your hand on and 2 hands on the saw for better control.
It was great. I love the power of the saw. It's lightweight, perfect for what I do. This is a great feature. Tether it right here. You've got the setup so you don't drop the saw over the edge.
I cut everything with a new saw, you know, it's really nice, really comfortable. Everything is good, the power is really nice, you know. Control is exactly what you need. Easy, easy. I buy it, it's sweet. It's very cool, very comfortable, and this is good, very strong. Perfect.
The saw features extreme protection technology, engineered for increased dust and water resistance for operation in harsh job site conditions. It's compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries with the fastest charge times in their categories. Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty.
Without cords, it's almost like you have to retrain your brain to know that there's not a cord there, because so much of your cutting process when you're making long rips have to do with where your cord is.
Equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over discharge, and overheating. It's part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.
be big cuts required big saws. Not anymore. Meet the Rockwell Compact Circular Saw. So compact, you can use it anywhere. So powerful, it delivers all the bite of the big boys, but weighs half as much for better comfort and control. Perfect for tight spots, even a vac port for mess-free projects. The new Rockwell Compact Circular Saw. It's the smallest big saw you'll ever use. Get yours today.